Hey, what's up guys? I've just able to mess around in the shop a little bit, and the tool making event that hosting by Emma and John in Australia is happening right on time, so I decided to have some fun this year. Is originally named Tool Fest and used to has a real competition with prize and winners, but because of the pandemic last year and now is just a fun event for everybody have a YouTube channel, want to hang around, make some friends, and maybe grow some views and subscribers. And most of them are small channels, so not a lot of people know about the competition. So I decided to help them a little bit. I'm not that popular, so I decided to make this tool as a prize. Hopefully I can inspire some more people to join the game. Stay tuned to the end of this video for more details, okay? As always, thanks for watching. So here we go, guys. I don't know what it called, but this is a tool that I really want to have for a very long time. It's a quite useful tool for any kind of workshop. Um, it's used for rough checking the squareness and could be used as a ruler because it's perfectly 12 centimeters or a little bit more than 4 inches. And I did all the metric increment. It's very easy with 1 millimeter increment on a DRO, but it's a nightmare with Imperial because it's 0.062 something. I'm lazy and I hate it, so I just did 1 inch. And it also come with the bevel plate with 45 and 30 degrees angle, and the price also included my sticker and logo. So go check out Emma's video for the details on how to be in the event. But the rule is very simple. You only need to have a YouTube channel going to make videos of making any kind of tool. Could be machinist, woodworking, welding, fabricating, crafting, everything. And everybody going to release the video on the same day with a hashtag roughcut 2022. Since it's not a real competition, so for me, I'm not going to pick a best video, a best tool, or anything. But for everyone who released the video on that day, I will put all the name into a box or something, and then just randomly pick one as a winner because I want everybody have a chance to win. No matter you're going to make, no matter how big your channel, how famous you are, that's my plan, but I don't know because maybe after this video some people are going to jump in and make something and donate it as a prize. Then we have to vote for the winners. But anyway, stay tuned and we will give you an update as soon as possible. Thank you guys. See you next time.